so I just found the easiest way to generate beautiful PowerPoint presentation slides that you can use to present whatever form of presentation you want to do. So as you can see, these are all beautiful slide decks that I created using just a few prompts and just adding my own text, and voila, it gave me exactly what I wanted. So I'm going to be using Notebook LM to do this, so you see exactly what I'm going to do. So I started with a new notebook, and of course I'm going to go ahead. This is my text that I want to add, or I want to create presentation slides for. All right, so I have all my text written in my Google Docs here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy all of the text. So select, all right, so I'm going to end here and click, right click, click copy. Let's go back, click on add sources, and then come down here and click copy text, and then paste in the text you've just copied. So this is my text, so click insert, just wait. Okay, so it is inserted right here. Now once I have my text inside Notebook LM, I can go to the right, to the top right corner here. You're going to see these other tools right here, and at the top right corner you're going to see slide deck. So we're going to click on this little pen icon. So I'm going to customize the slide deck. So the first thing is the format. So you can see there's a detailed deck, and of course there's the presenter slide. So you can choose which one you want, but I'm going to go for the detailed deck because I want all my text that I've added to be in my slides. Right, next I'm going to go to the language, choose the language, and of course the length. We're going to leave it like this, and then go now to the prompts area. So I'm going to paste this prompt which says, generate a professional slide deck with the first slide title POV you hire me as a social media manager for your mental health brand. Make sure to include all my text, add beautiful semi-realistic anime style images of a professional African woman 30 years of age across each slide for better visual understanding. Make each slide deck simple yet beautiful, modern and stylish. Then click generate, and you have to wait for some time. And then here is my slide deck already generated, right? So if you look across here, you're going to see these three dots right here. You can click on that and go ahead and download this. But you can also just click on it and open it up. And once it's opened, you can click this play button at the top right corner here of this one, whatever one you want. And it's going to open up the slide deck. And this is how it is looking, all right? So let's click the play slideshow. And you can see how beautiful it looks. You can see how everything is looking clean and beautiful, exactly how I wanted it to look like. All right, so that is the easiest way you can do it. All right, so what if in case you have like a specific design that you want to recreate? Now let's say I have a specific design, so I'm going to go ahead and use this other notebook. So I'm going to go to Pinterest. So I'm going to go to Pinterest and try to look for some designs that we can recreate in case we want to create a specific presentation slide deck. Right, so I'm going to go to Pinterest. On the search bar, I can then type in the specific keywords I want. So in my case, I want to generate or create a buyer persona for a mental health brand. So I just want to create a slide deck to present that. So I'm going to search the design style I want. Once I open it up, I can come here, click this three dots, click the download image and store. Next, we're going to go to ChatGPT, upload my image, and then ask it to generate a prompt that I can give to Notebook LM. But of course, I already have some information about my buyer personas all in the same chat. All right, so it's going to give me a prompt, and then I'm going to come back to Notebook LM and then click slide deck. Make sure to click on this pen icon, not just the slide deck. Click on the pen icon, add some customization, and then add in the prompt here, which is create a simple modern 3-slide presentation deck for a mental health brand called Mindscope Health. The design should be clean, minimal, and modern with soft mental health theme colors: light blue, soft green, white, calm, neutral. I can go ahead and remove the soft green because I don't want green within the design. Okay, I don't want a color like green. So I'm going to go ahead, edit this, select, and just remove. Then under, I continue with each slide should contain 2 buyer personas displayed side by side in card style layout. Each persona card should include semi-realistic anime portrait image, persona name and title. And the last is short bullet points for all personal information. Now, once I have that in there, I can then go ahead and click the generate button right here and wait. All right, so you can see it's generating it. And let's just wait. Okay, this is it right here. It has generated the slide deck. Click to open it up. So this is it. I can go ahead and click this play button to start my slideshow. You can see this is how it's looking like. Okay, so these are the anime style, and you can see it has all the information about each buyer personas, right? So there are 2 buyer personas per slide, exactly what I wanted. So I'm going to go to the next one. You can see 2 per slide, so I have a total of 6 different buyer personas. Now, another thing I love about Notebook LM slide deck is the fact that if in case you want to change or edit something on your slide deck, you can go ahead and do that, right? So I'm going to click the escape button and come back here, click on this pencil icon. Once I click on that, it's going to take me here, and then just select the particular slide. Let's say maybe you want to change some text or even the images. You can also come on these 3 dots and click show prompts and just copy a particular point like what I did here. All right, I do not want to go and start writing another prompt. So all I wanted to do is to just change the image from anime to 4D realistic image. All right, so if in case you want to change for maybe change the text, you can also add a prompt here. And then once you add the prompt, you can go ahead and click generate deck and just wait. And of course, once it's done generating the slide deck, open it up and voila, it's going to do the adjustment for you. So that's another interesting factor when it comes to creating slide decks. So this is one of the easiest ways I've found when it comes to generating presentation slide decks that you can just do in a matter of minutes. Instead of going through the tedious process of starting from an empty canvas, all you need to do is to just have your text ready, give it to Notebook LM, add it a prompt, and voila, you have your slide decks created, and you can just go ahead and do your presentations normally. All right guys, so I hope this video was interesting, and if it was, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Let me know that this video was really helpful to you in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and join the wonderful family. You're very welcome. And also do not forget to hit the notification bell button, because that is how YouTube will be able to notify you every time I upload an interesting content like this. Let me also know which type of content you want me to do. Thank you once more for watching, and as always, see you in the next video.